Police officers respond to a report of shots fired in a neighborhood and quickly locate a suspect described as a male wearing black fleeing the scene near a red vehicle. Officers immediately give commands for the suspect to show his hands and comply, warning him not to resist. The suspect moves around the area, prompting officers to coordinate and establish a perimeter to safely contain him. After a tense pursuit, contact is made with the suspect, who is identified as approximately 30 years old. During the incident, it is confirmed that the suspect has been shot in the left arm. Officers and emergency personnel arrive at the scene to provide medical attention and secure the area. Throughout the event, officers maintain caution, repeatedly giving instructions to ensure both their safety and the safety of the suspect. The situation highlights the dangers officers face during active incidents and the importance of swift coordination between law enforcement and emergency medical responders. The suspect is eventually taken into custody, and the scene is controlled to prevent any further harm.
I don't have no weapons,
Just relax.
sir.
Just relax.
Hey,
Just calm down, dude. Just calm down.
Hold on.
It's good. Get out, get out. Get back. Three shots fired off, so Jefferson and 9th Ave.
I don't have no weapons,
Just relax.
sir.
Just relax. Just calm down, dude. Just
Hold
calm down.
on.
It's good. Get out, get out. Get back. Three shots fired off, so Jefferson and 9th Ave.
Come out.
Get back. Get back. Suspect is gonna be a male, black over black. He's gonna be running eastbound. Oh, Jefferson from 9th Ave. Hey, you! Hey! Sir! Hey, I got one right here at the red vehicle. Hey, he's behind the red car.
Hey, we see you.
Hey, I see you! Put your hands up! Yeah.
Unit who put out a suspect in the East-West Valley, come on.
Okay, come outside, see you.
3-1, it was...
Hands up! I'm getting stepped over.
From the...
Turn away. Hands on top of your head. Hands on top of your head. Stop. 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 Turn around. All right. Turn around. Turn around.
Turn around.
Here.
He's not being detained. They weren't able to make contact.
What do you want, 7th?
7th, south of 3rd, 30.
2871. I have a possible suspect in custody. 7th, south of 30th.
Y'all shot me.
Any units on 8th Avenue, can you come to my location?
Spread your feet. Spread your feet.
Better location.
Spread your feet.
3 7th Avenue.
7th Avenue.
Let's get an RA real quick.
Can I get an RA for a male, approximately 30 years of age, conscious and breathing, suffering from a GSW to the left arm?
To the left arm.
Yeah.
Where are you at with that suspect?
7th Avenue.
7th Avenue.
7th Avenue. Fuck.
Yep.
You're within our rate location.
Okay.
Primary, come up. Go.
I got him. Go ahead.
What are the chances of additionals? Was this guy alone? Was he in a car? Give us some details. She was on foot. She was on
Where?